Hello friends, today we are going to start up exercise 4.3. This is for class 8 and the chapter is practical geometry. We have already done exercise 4.1 and 4.2. If you haven't seen, check out the link above. So let's start. In this exercise, we are given with two sides and three angles. We have to draw a quadrilateral whose two sides are given and three angles are also given. So steps will remain the same. First we will draw a rough sketch of this. So let's go for it. So I am making a quadrilateral and the name of this quadrilateral is MORE, M-O-R and E. So what is given to me? MO 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 centimeter, and angle O is given 105 degree, angle M is given 60 degree and angle R is given 105 degree. So again we have to choose the line. The angle is given on both the sides. So I'll start with 6 centimeter only because I know the angles of point M as well as O. So let's start. So first make a line of 6 centimeter. This is my line which is of 6 centimeter. This is point M and this is point O and this is 6 centimeter. Now we'll have to draw an angle of 60 degree. Keep your compass pointer on O, on M, and draw an arc like this, full arc till the line. Fine. Now don't change your compass and make a cut from point from this point. Fine. Join it from point M. So let's join it. So here it goes. I am going to join these 2 points. This is my line and this angle is of 60 degree. Now I'll make an angle of 105. You know that 90 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 105 degree. Fine. So I'll take up first, I'll make the angle of 90 degree. So keep your compass on point O and make an arc. Then this is your 60 degree angle and this is going to be your 120 degree angle. From here you are going to bisect it. Fine. So this way you are going to bisect it. So this is my 90 degree angle, as I don't need this angle in my quadrilateral. So I'll make this with dotted lines only. So this is how I am going to make it. This small part is going to be 30 degree. Fine. After 90. So I am going to bisect it. So keeping your compass on these places. So if I join these 2 points, the whole this angle is going to be 105 degree. Now what next? I'll have to open my compass. You can see 105 at 4.5. So this is my 4.5. You cut it from here. This is your 4.5 centimeter. Now from here you are going to make an angle of again 105. Fine. So let's do it again. So this is my point. Make an angle of 90 degree first. So here it goes. This is 60. This is your 120. From here I am going to make the angle of 90 degree. So this is my 90 degree. I don't need it. So I'll make it with dotted line. What I need, a point on my arc. So this is my dotted line, very light. So this small angle is again of 30 degrees. So I'll have to bisect it, one from here, one arc from this side. So now join these 2 points from M. So here it goes. Fine. So here it goes. Now extend this line also. Let me extend this line a bit. So this is going to be your point E. This was your point R, not M. This was your point R. So MORE, more. Fine. So this is how you are going to make your quadrilateral in this case. Now the second one, plan. Make a rough sketch first. So it is P, L, A and N. What is given in this to us? PL is 4 centimeter, LA is 6.5 centimeter, angle P is 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree and angle N is 85 degree. So you can see there is no line which is having in which the angle of both sides are given. So if three angles are given, we can find out the fourth angle as 85 degree plus 110 degree plus 90 degree plus angle L is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So it will be your 360 minus 285 degree. So angle L will come out to be 75 degree. So this is your 75 degree. Fine. Now you are able to make your quadrilateral as you know the angle on both the sides. Fine. So let's start making the angles. So let me do it. So first I am going to make a line of 6.5 centimeter. This is my line of 6.5 centimeter. I am taking the largest line because for that also I know the angles on both the sides. So this is A and this is L. Fine. And this is 6.5 centimeter. Now what I am supposed to do, I will have to make an angle of 75 first at point L. So let's do it. So first I will make an angle of 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree angle, then 90 degree angle, make an angle of 90 degree, fine, join them. I don't need the angle of 90 degree, so I'll make it a dotted line. Fine. So now you know that 60 degree plus 15 degree is equal to 75 degree. Fine. This small angle is of 30 degree. So I am going to bisect it. When you are bisecting, make an arc from both the corners of that particular thing, that particular angle or side. So this is your bisected angle. Fine. This is your bisected angle. Now what you are going to do, this is your angle 75 degree. Fine. So now I have made this angle 75 degree. Now open up your compass as 4 centimeter. This is my 4 centimeter and cut over it here. Fine. So I have made this line. This is point P. This one, this particular point is P and this is 4 centimeter. Now at P I have to make an angle of 90 degree. So let's do it. For that I am going to rotate my page. So let's make an angle of 90 degree here. So this is 60. This is your 90 degree angle. Fine. So let's make it. Here it goes. So this angle is of 90 degree. Fine. From point A I am going to make an angle of 110. It's a standard angle. Please consider the 0 which is lying on the line. ये देखो यहाँ से 0 and it 100, 110. So this is the point for 110. Join it. Here it goes. This angle is of 110 degree, and this is your point N. So, and this was 4 centimeter. So, we have made this is the quadrilateral. So, first we have what we have done, we have drawn a line of 6.5 centimeter, which is AL. At point L we have made angle of 75 degree, then we have extended it, then we have made it 4.4 centimeter cut we have made. Then at point, this is your point P, at P you have an angle of 90 degree, at A you have an angle of 110. This angle we have made using the protractor, and these two lines are cutting each other at point N. So, this makes your quadrilateral plan. Fine. The next question, in which we have to make a parallelogram. So, first let us make a parallelogram. This is my parallelogram, in which EA, HEAR, your EA is 6 centimeter and your HE is 5 centimeter. This will be also 6 and 5. Your angle R, this angle is 85 degree. You know that opposite angles are same, so this will also be 85 degree. And this angle, how much? This angle will be 180 minus 85, so it will be 95 degree. Fine. So, let us start making it. First make a line of 6 centimeter. So, this is my line which is of 6 centimeter. The name of this line is EA, 6 centimeter. Now, using your protractor, make angle of 85 degree here. So, let us make an angle of 85. Please consider 0 which is on the line. So, this is on the line. So, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, this is 80, and in the mid of this point is for the 85 degree. So, join these 2 points. Let us join them up. Fine. Now, this is of 5 centimeter. So, open up your compass to 5 centimeter. This is my 5 centimeter, and from point E make an arc. Fine. Now, what is the angle here? Here is your 95 degree. Fine. So, 95 degree ka angle we are going to make with the protractor, your D. Now, which 0 you will take, which is on the line. So, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 90 here, and here it is 95. So, make a dot here, join these two lines. Again, opposite sides are equal. So, we will cut from A also 5 centimeter. Fine. So, this is your 5 centimeter. This will be also 5 centimeter. If we make the angles, let us put the angles also. So, this angle, and we have made these two angles. Fine. So, this angle was 85 degree and this is your 95 degree. Now, you are going to join the upper ones also, upper lines. Here it goes. This is your H and this is your R. Fine. So, this is how you are going to make your parallelograms. This is your HEAR, and the last question of this is you have to make a rectangle. You know that all the angles of a rectangle are of 90 degree. So, this is OKAY. OK is 7 centimeter, KA is 5, opposite sides are also equal and these are of 90 degree. So, let us start making it. So, this is my line which is of 7 centimeter. Name of this line is OK, 7 centimeter. Now, you are going to make the angle of 90 degree on O as well as K. So, let us make it quickly. Keeping your compass here 1, 2 and cut from here. From here also you are going to make an angle of 90 degree. So cut from here also 90 degree, 90 degree. Fine. Join these two. Let's join them up, one and the another one I am going to join. Now open up your compass 5 centimeter. Here it goes 5 centimeter. Make a cut from K as well as from O because opposite sides are equal. So this is your 5 centimeter and again this is also 5 centimeter. Join the upper ones. Fine. So this is your A point and this is your Y point. Okay. This is your rectangle which you have made. Fine. I hope you are clear about this. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.